Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 290, Responsible AI FAQs. Are you curious to find out more about the AI-related features of Power Pages? Do you want to go beyond the how-to documentation and find out how the performance of the features were evaluated, or what the limitations are? Then check out the Responsible AI FAQs on Microsoft Learn. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The Responsible AI FAQs are part of Microsoft's commitment to transparency and accountability. They can be found for all sorts of products across the various Microsoft product lines that leverage AI. The Responsible AI FAQs for Power Pages can be found on Microsoft Learn. There are separate FAQs for the various AI offerings, like site creation, site copilot, and code generation. For each feature, you'll find information about the capabilities, the intended use, how it was evaluated, including the metrics used to measure its performance, its limitations, and suggestions on how to use the feature effectively and responsibly. If you're using any of these AI-based features, I'd recommend taking a look at its FAQ. I think the information provided will help you use that feature more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 290 on Responsible AI FAQs useful.